Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to play chess, chess.com. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to chess.com, and from here just simply click on login over here. And after that, you will have two options. You can either provide your email or pass manually, or you can just simply continue with Apple, Google, or Facebook. Or if you don't have an account, you can just simply click on sign up over here. And since I have an account on Google, I'm gonna click on this, and I'm just gonna simply log in into my account. And from here, guys, on the very top on the left side, just simply click on play. And from here, you will have multiple options. You can either play online, you can play with bots, you can play with a friend, or you can join a tournament, or you can just simply select chess variants. So it will be depending on you on which category that you would choose. So let's say I'm gonna go for a play online, and from here, as you can see, I'll be able to select some time over here. I'll be able to select a game modes. So let's say I'm gonna go for 10 minutes and click on play. And from here, click on I agree. And after that, it will search a matchup, as you can see. And as you can see, right away, we will have a player. And from here, just simply make your moves and just play some chess. As you can see, when you click a specific chess piece, you should be able to see here the possible moves that you can take. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.